Today, we are unboxing the Astell Kern KANN, a high-res DAP that focuses on strong output and crystal clear sound with a memory expandable up to 832 GB. As well as the player itself, inside the box we find a USB Type-C cable, standard and micro SD card dust protectors, a quick start guide and warranty information. The home screen of the player allows you to browse music by different categories, as well as showing some information about the music currently playing. The store allows the use of apps such as Tidal. On the playback screen, we are shown track and album art information. From here, tracks can be easily added to playlists. Lyrics can be displayed where available, and further information about the file can also be seen. Dragging down from the top of the display allows you to see further settings, such as gapless playback and left-right balance. EQ settings can also be adjusted. There is a home button if you get lost, and a tactile volume scroll wheel. And that was our unboxing of the Astell Kern KANN, available now from Advanced MP3 players.